Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see your Instagram password if you forgot it. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on account center. Okay, and here you can see password and security, but here you can see option of change password, but let me select my Instagram. But for that you must remember your current password. So how you can get your current password? You simply need to go back. You can use Chrome as well, or you can use Gmail as well. Click on your profile picture and click on manage your Google account. Okay, scroll here and click on security. Scroll down again. So in the bottom you can see password manager. Click on that option. Here you need to scroll down and select Instagram. Wait for a few seconds. Click on continue. Here you need to enter your pattern, and here you can see your password if you click on that. But if you want to copy, you simply need to click that and you can copy. So this is the process by which you can see your Instagram password if you forgot it. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.